Hey everyone, and welcome back to Money Boost. We all listen to music. It's a great pastime. What's just as enjoyable as listening to music is making money. And you can do both of these things at once. Yep, you can earn money by listening to music. It's a great way to earn because it is fun and easy. So, check out this method and get ready to listen to the sweet sound of money rolling in. Today we're going to be talking about how to make $500 just by listening to music. Make sure you stay until the end because you don't want to miss this great technique to earning cash just by listening to music. Number 1. Make a PayPal. You'll need a way to digitally store the money you earned by listening to music. That is where PayPal comes in. PayPal is a safe online wallet. An online wallet allows you to keep the money that you earn digitally. Many online websites use this. They use it as both a system of payment and a system to earn. You can also send money easily from one PayPal user to another. PayPal is universally renowned and legit. It is also a system that will hold your money and allow you to make payments, receive payments, and withdraw into a bank account. PayPal is used by all the websites in this video. Here's how you make an account. First, go to the PayPal website. Then, go to the top of the page and click Sign Up. You'll be led to a page where you choose either create a personal account or a business account. Select personal account and then click on Next, and then you will enter in your email address and password. That's it. It is really that simple. Number 2. Go to Radio Earn. You can listen and earn through the aptly named Radio Earn. This site's amazing because it works internationally across every single country, so anyone can use it to earn. They do all their payments through PayPal, so if you've already got that ready to go, then you're good to earn. When you first open up the website, you can view live statistics of all the members, listeners, and payments made. That shows you just how popular and legit this website really is. They have tens of thousands of members that are all a part of their community, earning cash just by listening to music. Scrolling down, you can see a map of all the listeners in the world. Let's get started. First, you will need to register on Radio Earn. You can do this by going to the top of the page and clicking Sign Up. It's easy to do. All you've got to do is just enter in your email and a password. After doing so, you'll have access to the dashboard. Once you open up your dashboard, you will see 3 radio stations. You'll be able to select one of the 3 to listen to. On this website, you will get paid for every 15 minutes of music you listen to. After you listen to 15 minutes worth of music, you can collect points. These points will then be redeemable for PayPal credit, which means cash for you. So let's take a look at the top radio stations. There's many different genres to choose from. You've got Top 100, News, Dance, Easy Listening, and more. That means you can listen to music to jam out to, or to just listen to while you do chores. So many options. To the right of the genres, you can see the traffic and how popular each radio station is. To start earning, click on one of the radio stations. As soon as you do, a new tab will pop up. You can then see a player at the top of the page. Click on the play button and start listening. You'll see a bar at the bottom that shows your progress. It will tell you how many minutes you need to listen to before you get your next payment, as well as show you how many points you've got. At the bottom of the page is a banner advertiser. This is how the site earns money, and they will take a portion of this income and give it to you when you listen to the music on the page. To start listening to music, go to the player and click play. The music is great to listen to. It isn't that bad either. Another great thing is that you can play this music in iTunes. Click on the Stream with Your Player button and it will automatically open up in your default player. And yes, you'll still be earning this way. Number 3. Go to Cash for Minutes. There's another way to earn money through listening to music. Cash for Minutes is an interesting site that will pay you just for using your phone. You can use your phone to dial a number, and this will pay you to sit and listen to a live radio broadcast. Think of it kind of like getting paid to listen to the music that they put on while you're on hold. Easy, right? They will pay you directly to your PayPal account. This website pays you for monthly unused phone limits. It will also allow you to make a test call to make sure you don't get charged. Then after that, you can call and set your phone down. So really, you don't have to do anything at all in order to earn through this website. It really can be that easy. So first, go to the Cash for Minutes website. Then you're going to want to sign up with them. You will set up a unique user profile and add all of the numbers you'll be dialing from. Then, you'll be able to access numbers. With these numbers, you will choose one to call. The site recommends that you do a short test call to make sure you avoid any charges made. Then, after you call and listen, you earn. That's about it. It's simple, isn't it? The payments on the site are speedy and you can earn fast. You can choose to earn weekly or monthly, and they even offer different forms of payment for things like bank transfer, Amazon vouchers, Bitcoin, or even sending funds to a charity of your choice. This website is very unique. You can earn just by using your phone, dialing a number, and listening to a radio broadcast. It doesn't get much easier than that. You don't even have to listen to it. You can just set your phone down and let it play while you go off and do something else. This is a great site for a passive income and is definitely something you should check out. Number 4. Go to Hit Predictor. Another great site is Hit Predictor. With this site, you can rate music, answer polls, or shop prizes. But what we will be focusing on is the rate music section of the site. This is another great way to earn passively just by having music play in the background while you go off and do something else. This site is a little bit different than the rest because in addition to just listening to music, you'll also be rating the artists. This can be fun if you love reviewing music. It will also allow you to redeem points into Amazon gift cards as opposed to cash, but you can still benefit from that. You can order something and have it shipped to your home. It is great. First, to start with, go to the Hit Predictor website. Then you will sign up and create an account. It is super simple to do. Once you are done with that, go to the top of the page and find the big orange tab that says Rate Music. Click on that button, and once you do, it will open up a tab in a new window. It will tell you the name of the song and the artist. Then, after you listen to it, you'll be brought to a page where you can rate the track. You can choose I love it, I like it, it's okay, I don't like it, or I hate it. However you feel about the song you just listened to, choose accordingly, and then enter in a comment about the song. You can say anything you like about it. Then, under that, you'll see how many points you will get for answering. Once you get points, you can redeem them for Amazon gift cards. It's great. You just listen, and then you can buy things online. Doesn't that sound great to you? It's as simple as listen, rate, earn. Number 5. Go to Music Xray. This next site on the list is quite special. You'll be getting paid to listen to music, but you will be receiving that music through email. It is just as simple and useful as other websites on this list though. You will sign up and then they will send you music. You can then open that music up in your inbox. You will then click on the link and that will lead you to a website where you can listen to the music. Then you get paid. The first thing you need to do is to go to the Music Xray website. There they will have a video. This video is a step-by-step tutorial on how that website works. It will explain everything that you need to do. Then go ahead and sign up for the service. This bit's absolutely free. Next, wait for the music to arrive in your inbox. You will then have to click on the link that you received, and that will take you to a website. Now, when you go to that website and find the music you need to listen to, you get paid to listen to all these songs, all while supporting new bands and music that you'll be sure to love. To use Music Xray, just go to Google and type in Music Xray Get Paid to Listen. That will bring you to the page that says Fan Match. That is where you'll be led in order to start earning. When you get to that page, scroll to the bottom and click Sign Up for free. To sign up, they require your email, a username, and a password, all very simple. If you want, you can also sign up with SoundCloud, Google, Yahoo, or Facebook. Thanks for watching. While you're here, go ahead and click on one of these 2 videos on your screen. See you there.